Eto na guys, one of the most requested phone dito sa aking channel is the Realme GT2 Pro. And this is the flagship ng Realme na hindi lumabas dito sa Philippines. And I'm really excited to share to you. And by the way guys, meron din pala si Realme na Realme official global na store which can cater to this one. I'll be posting the link on the description box below. Check nyo na in a little later. And tara, buksan muna natin. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. And I have here the Realme GT2 Pro na marami sa inyo nag-request over sa akin to review this one. And I'm really excited kasi there's a lot of good specs inside this phone. So simulan muna natin sa quick unboxing. So, ayan na guys, nakita nyo na full unboxing nitong phone na ito and I love itong texture niya sa likod. And I heard that this is made out of recycled material and by far, sarap ng feel niya sa likod. And this is color white. By far, yung feel niya sa likod is hindi yung parang chipipay. I mean, ang feel niya is very smooth. Hindi siya yung smooth na masobrang dulas, and by far yung pagka-white niya is very attractive. So there goes the triple camera sa likod, and there goes the 50MP na triple camera setup sa likod. And kita nyo dito, meron print ng Realme logo na naka-chrome and etching siya, no? Pag hinawakan mo, hindi siya plain, parang kinarve. Ang ganda, very shiny. And ito ay autograph ni Naoto Fukusawa. Siya ang world-renowned na industrial designer na tumulong mag-design nitong GT2 Pro. And ang sarap talaga, no? By far, kung magaling ang designer mo, ang ganda lang lumalabas yung phone mo. Yung textured, yung grip niya. I love it. Okay, so really, this is probably one of the more premium phone na nakawakan for this year 2022. So pasyalin ko kayo sa ilalim ng phone na ito. Meron siyang loudspeaker, Type-C port, microphone, and of course, dual 5G SIM slot. Sa side, meron siyang power button na meron design din. Parang rough ang kanya finish para magandang pagkapindot. Hindi siya sobrang smooth. Sa ibabaw, meron siyang noise cancelling mic. Dito sa kabila, ang kanyang volume rocker. And nakatago dito sa harap ang kanyang 32MP na front-facing camera. And of course, ang phone na ito is equipped with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. 972,000 ang kanyang score dito sa Antutu. And by far, it's really impressive ang kanyang score. And 2 weeks ko na siya bit-bit and nilalaro ko siya as my daily driver. And I'm really impressed with the performance that it's given me. Lalo na when I'm browsing through social media, very smooth. When watching videos, ang smooth ng phone na ito dahil meron siya 6.7-inch na AMOLED display, LTPO2 na rin siya, meaning kaya na mag-switch from 1 Hz up to 120 Hz dynamically. Sarili siya pipili, depende sa environment ng ginagamitan mo. Then 1 billion colors ang kaya i-reproduce. HDR10 Plus ang kayang support. 1,400 nits ang kanyang maximum brightness, meaning when you're under the direct sunlight, grabe, kitang-kita mo pa rin ang lahat ng pictures dito sa phone na ito. And did you know guys, ang glass nito is very tough. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, meaning scratch resistant siya up to a certain level. I'm sure na yung mga susi sa loob na yung pocket, halos baliwala. Hindi niya masyado scratch dahil matibay ang Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. And this phone is already running Android 12 and realme UI 3.0. It's one of the more snappier na UI na nagamit ko dito sa aking channel. And by far, I'm really impressed dito sa kanya. And opening apps is very fast and snappy. Siyempre, Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, then sinama pa ng realme UI 3.0. Definitely, ang kanyang performance is okay na okay. Wala ka nang hanapi pang iba. Now, watching my favorite videos dito sa phone na ito, I can say na display niya is really nice. Ang ganda. And by far, yung kanyang mga corners na edges dito is almost symmetrical. Hindi naman siya makapal. And this one has an 88.6% screen-to-body ratio. Almost 90, but not yet there. And masasabi ko sa inyo, the display is nice. Watching videos here on YouTube, on Netflix, okay na okay. The only problem na nakita ko dito is the phone is level 3 ang kanyang wideband security. But if you can flash this to a global variant, well, yeah, magiging level 1 na siya. But of course, you can always opt to buy the global variant. I'll be posting it on the description box below. Just check it out. And by the way, guys, this phone has stereo speaker. Isa sa ilalim, and the other one is nandito sa kanyang speaker. And gusto natin pakinggan right now kung malakas ka bang sound niya for a flagship phone or hindi masyado. Kasi I'm sure na mas malakas di hamag dito sa ilalim kaysa dito sa taas. But we would find it out right now.
This shit high, boy. Shawty catch a vibe, yeah, I had to put her on. Bought it too skitty, yeah, we headed for the sun. Shawty got my high, I ain't tripping for the funds. Yeah, I won't start, I ain't tripping, I won't start. Living lively, everybody tryna ride my wave, they can ride.
Now, listening to music on Spotify, gamit ang phone na ito, no, and placing the speaker to the maximum, I can say okay ang kanyang sound. I love the sound, ang ganda ng kanyang reproduction. Hindi siya sabog pag sinasagad mo. But of course, listening to the sound here, sa ilalim, no, mas malakas di hamak. Kasi mas malaki ang kanyang speaker module dito sa ilalim kaysa dito sa kanyang speaker grills dito sa taas, which is a little bit smaller. So, ang sound reproduction, hindi siya balance, mas malakas dito kaysa dito. And of course, playing games, mapapansin mo, mas mahina ang sounds coming from the left as compared to the right. But you can always use your favorite TWS or Bluetooth headphones for better enjoyment ng gaming and of course, listening to your favorite music. Now, speaking of gaming, this phone, sabi ko nga sa inyo, Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, lahat ng titles ay iba dito, Sishu, Walk in the Park, baliwala lang. And so, I did play 2 games here, Call of Duty Mobile and Asphalt 9. So, both of the games, I was able to enjoy it. Ang ganda ng response ng screen niya, the touch is really smooth, and of course, I love the gameplay. Halos minimal, no? Ang ganda ng frame drops, halos wala akong nakikita na lags. The gameplay is smooth, and of course, kahit sa gano'n sa maximum graphic settings, okay na okay siya. I mean, siyempre, Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, I don't expect less from that. So, upon playing after 2.5 hours, makikil mo talaga, umiinit talaga dito, no? But pansin ko dito, no, parang roughly mga 25 minutes pa lang into the game, umiinit na siya. And pag lalong tumatagal, umiinit siya. So, as far as I'm concerned, ni-rate ko siya using my industrial thermometer. Dito, around dito, somewhere here, umiinit siya as high as 44 degrees Celsius. Now, not much of a problem naman since 44 degrees Celsius is still tolerable sa gaming. So, lagyan mo lang ng cooler. There's cooler from Realme and other brands which can make this one a lot cooler dito sa spot na ito para mas makakatagal ka now playing your favorite games. And guys, itong phone na ito, 5,000 mAh ang kanyang battery, lithium polymer, and it can fast charge as fast as 65 watts of fast charging. And sabi ni Realme, this one can finish charging in just 33 minutes to 100%. And tinry ko naman siya charging here in the Philippines. So tinry ko mag-charge from 5% up to 100. nagtapos ako in roughly 45 minutes. So, it's a little bit far from the advertised na 33 minutes. Maybe kasalanan ito ni Meralco. And this phone has a lot of colors pala, guys. Paper white, itong meron ko. Paper green, steel black, titanium blue. Those are the colors available for this phone. So guys, right now we're down to my favorite topic. It's the camera discussion. 50 MP ang kanyang main sensor sa likod. Then 50 MP din ang kanyang ultra-wide sensor na grabe. Imagine, 50 MP na agad sa likod. Then meron siyang 3 MP na kanyang microscope lens. First time ko narinig niya, ito, microscope lens. And hindi siya macro lens, microscope. So it can take in mas detailed na zooming up to 40 times ang kanyang magnification na kayang gawin. No? So imagine na kayang makita nun. So imagine yung mga langgam, kitang-kita mo dito sa camera. I was really impressed, no? So pinaglaruan ko rin kanyang microscope camera and I'll be showing you some of my shots later. Nakakatuwa lang, no? And of course, sa harap, meron siyang 32 MP na front-facing camera. So bringing this one outdoors, I can say na ang mga shots dito is clear and very nice, as expected naman. And bringing this phone outdoors, I can say na ang ganda ng mga shots nito. Be it outdoors, indoors, okay na okay, panalo. Performer talagang kanyang camera. And taking a quick look sa mga microscope shot. So I did take in some microscope shots na itong mouse pad here on my table and ganito kanyang itsura. And pag ni-microscope ko up to 20x ang aking daliri, ganito ang itsura, which is kind of fun, no? So, hindi ko na siya tinry up to 40x, but of course, you can always try it dito. It's really fun. So, makita mo, this is the microscope mode. Pag nilapit mo, ganito ang itsura niya. Nakakatuwa lang, no? So, you can zoom in up to 40x. So, tingnan natin kung ano makita natin at 40x, no? So, sobrang detailed na yan. Ayan. Kita niya, no? May ultimo maliliit na mga dumi sa akin daliri. Makikita natin, no? So, something na the naked eye cannot see. May nakita ko kanina dalawang tuldok na dumi, no? I'm not quite sure kung ano yun dito sa akin daliri. But pag tinignan ko sa akin naked eye, parang wala naman. Amazing lang talaga kung ano nagagawa nitong microscope camera ni Realme. And checking mga shots from the front-facing camera, 32MP, definitely sharp. Ang ganda ng kanyang color reproduction, quite natural, and taking it indoors is also nice. And tinry ko naman ang kanyang video camera, both sa front and sa rear. Very stable ang kanyang rear camera. Very punchy ang kanyang mga colors. And using the front-facing camera, okay din siya, no? Dahil meron siyang mga image stabilization. But there are times na parang medyo jerky a bit ang front-facing camera. But of course, you can always correct it with a good gimbal. Now, you can see na itong camera na ito, both sa front and sa rear, you can use it as your vlogging device. I'm sure ang ganda ng mga videos na lalabas dito sa phone na ito. So guys, right now, magkano nga ba itong Realme GT2 Pro? I mean, it has all of the specs na gusto mo, no? 12 gigs of RAM, 256 GB of storage. Then, of course, Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Ang ganda ka ng camera sa front and sa likod. And very sleek ang kanyang design. Plus, sobrang smooth ang kanyang screen. This one right now is priced at 34,990. And kung may naabutan kayo mga flash sale ng GT2 Pro, ang iyong 34,990, magiging 30,990. Imagine, ang laki ng tipid of 4,000 pesos din. And by far, guys, I can highly recommend this camera. Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda ng camera and ang ganda design is definitely one for the books. Ang ganda. Probably one of the best design na phone na ni Realme to date na nahawakan ko, and I highly recommend this to anyone who's seeking for a new flagship to play with. And of course guys, kung may natutunan kayo dito sa aking channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit nyo na rin yung bell icon para hindi nyo ma-miss sa mga future videos ko dito sa aking channel. And of course guys, invite ko na rin kayo i-like ang aking TikTok channel at Gadget Sidekick. I'm uploading several good videos over there na hindi nyo nakikita dito sa aking YouTube channel. And so ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Watcha!